Good morning, guys. We are doing some maintenance, garden maintenance. I'm hoping I can get in here because it's been kind of wet, but I need to do some hoeing and I also need to do some tomato cages. And I wanted to show you, I did a couple on Tuesday because I was down here helping my dad mow a cemetery, and I saw that my tomato plants, well, all of it really, has taken off. But my tomato plants, probably should have put the cages on them a week or so ago. I just didn't. And so, let me show you. So you can see this one is split, but it has tomatoes everywhere. This is my black Cherokee, or purple Cherokee. But I have tomatoes all over it. And this one, there's no tomatoes, but I have flowering on all of these. Yeah, it's a little wet in here, but you can see they're starting to bend. So I gotta get cages or stakes on all of them. And you can see this one down here, it has little baby tomatoes on it too. And see, yeah, it needs to be caged. Everything needs caged. And then I'm going to take a hoe and hoe through all my okra and my corn and I just lost my train of thought. What are those? Green beans. I don't have any green beans yet, but I'm seeing some flowering on them. I have a lot of flowering on pepper plants. Oh my. And look at those. Those were from my last video, and here's some jalapenos or cayennes. I'm not sure which that is. Oh, I was wrong. They're Fresno chilies. So I have some of those growing. More flowering. More flowering. Sweet. A lot of stuff going on. I'm loving. Oh, I have flowers on my zucchini. Look at this. We have flowering going on here. More flowering. Let's see. What are you? Another cucumber. There's no flowering on that one, but it looks like it's trying. And corn looks like it's doing good. Oh, I have some blooms on this. This is my zucchini, and these are all heirloom. I try to get all heirlooms so that I could save seeds. The flowering on those. These are my squashes. Oh, yep. Got some. Take that off. Don't need that. And I don't know if my eggplant's gonna make it. Oh. There was a deer. I told you something was eating my plants. Look at that. Deer walked all the way through. You can see it all the way over there. Oh, all over. Heh. I hope it got stuck. I mean, I'm all about pretty deer, but not in my garden. Trying to see. I think it looks like it looks like I have 2 of my 6 sweet potatoes. Something. Oh, you weren't even looking at me. I think I have 2 of my 6 sweet potatoes. Oh wait, no, there's 2 over there. So I have 3 sweet potatoes that look like they're doing fairly well. Those are the 2 that are doing the best. And then, like I said, those are Yukons, and I can't even get in there. I was planning on planting more green beans. You can see some of them coming up, but then again, it looks like some of them have been eaten right at the tip. So, but you can see how wet that is. So I can't get in there. My original plan was to plant more green beans and also mound up on my, sorry if the wind's blowing on my phone, but mound up my potatoes some more, because that's something that you need to do if it's out there. And I even had straw. So I'll put some straw on top of it. But I think I'll be able to get in a couple of these rows, but I may not even be able to get in my corn. I don't know. I'll just have to play by ear. I'm also wearing flip-flops, which is not the apparel that I should be wearing, but I kind of forgot what I was doing until last minute. It's been a very long morning already. But I wanted to show you how everything was going, and I was really excited about my little baby tomatoes and my peppers, so I wanted to bring you guys along. In my next video, you'll get to meet my new puppers. We got a Great Pyrenees puppy. It was just, the deal was too good to pass up, and it's a purebred, and he is the best puppy. I mean, he's like 40-50 pounds, but he is the best puppy ever. And it's just part of what's going to keep livestock and birds safe in the future. But more importantly, if nothing else, he'll be a good guard dog for my family. But anyway, you'll get to meet him. His name's Floki. Alright, well, I gotta get to hoeing what I can, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.